Good morning. Welcome to CONEXPO 2026. I represent Anderson UnderBridge. We are an American-built machine manufactured in York, South Carolina. We give access to underneath bridge for working, inspections, repair, painting, whatever your needs might be for underbridge access. The thing that's good about our equipment is we single lane deployment, minimal lane infringement for traffic going by. You can set the machine up in under 5 minutes, this particular model. This is our HP35. The 35 represents how far the platform extends under the bridge in a horizontal direction. When the machine is first deployed, it gives you the capability of swinging the platform 180 degrees underneath the bridge. Again, we're American made and built in York, South Carolina. Just a few features on this machines, as are all our machines. The cylinders are double counterbalance valve protected. Should there be a catastrophic failure, the counterbalance valve should hold the cylinders in place. We offer 7,000-pound axles. I pull these around continental United States with a 350 dually for safety without any issue. The machine weighs 18,600 pounds. Simple operation in the back. It's a sequential order of functionality. You have to complete one function before the next function is available, and there's an icon indicating that you have satisfied said operation that you want to complete. It's got a walkthrough to give you access underneath the bridge. You're never completely stuck or stranded underneath the machine. We have a redundant operation. Take a walk around and look at the motor here in just a second. We offer a 19 horsepower Kubota engine with a small Honda backup engine, so you're never absolutely completely stuck underneath the bridge. In our compartment at the back here, we offer wheel chocks, a spec sheet as far as the weights, measurements, your drop depth that you need to know on a daily basis, operator's manual, fire extinguisher, lubrication. We do offer on all our equipment a handy pendant for hands-free operation at points. But gives you full deployment other than the truck, gives you an option for driving the machine. 19 horsepower Kohler engine, and this is the Honda backup engine. They're hydraulically plumbed together. This is the emergency engine. This is the main engine for operation. Should anybody have any questions, please either stop by the booth or look us up on the World Wide Web, AndersonUnderBridge.com, or come by the North Hall at booth number 12024.